Welcome to Kunshan Deshengrui Machinery Company. Our company focus on precision machinery parts, CNC machining parts, turning parts, milling parts, stamping parts, forging parts, casting parts. We are committed to become one of the world's leading OEM and ODM production company. Our company mainly provide products to customers with both small, medium-sized and big customers, trying to create a win-win business. We have our own research and development team, more than 20 engineers and 5 inspection employees. We have more than 100 employees. We are rich, experienced in many kinds of materials machining, such as aluminum, carbon steel, alloy steel, brass, copper, bronze, titanium. Moreover, we are able to provide the customers with precision EDM processing, nitriding, vacuum heat treatment, hardness anodizing, steel oxidizing dark blue, electro polishing, nickel plating, chrome plating, silver plating, golden plating and so on. Our products have been sold well to the USA, Canada, Germany, UK, Switzerland, Belgium, Israel. Our company can provide high-quality auto parts, mechanical parts, aerospace parts, electronic parts with ISO 9001 quality certificate. We have a well-built inquiry system, efficient production system, strict quality control system and good after-sales service system. We have 4-axis machining center, vertical CNC machine center, CNC milling, CNC turning, CNC lathe, FLST grinder, etc. We consistently develop our research skills. Apply most to update equipment to improve efficiency and work capacity. Moreover, we are always ready to solve customer problems and ensure product quality. We warmly welcome customers from all over the world and hope to receive your inquiry with sincerity.